On our property in Linden, Johannesburg, we can make adjustments to acrylic and human hair wigs and hairpieces. We can add color, for example, highlights, extra thickness, and add length, as well as make the necessary size adjustments. We carry an extensive range of human hair in various lengths and colors, as well as acrylic, which makes it possible to match your color exactly.
Adjusting the size of a wig to fit the head is an important factor when wearing a full wig. In our workshop, we are able to size and alter any wig or hairpiece. Adding snappy clips or double-sided tape to the inside of a wig base are other successful ways of securing the wig to the head for a comfortable fit. Cutting a wig requires experience and specialized training, which is a service we provide with all our wigs and hair replacements. When the time is right, adding a small amount of grey into the sides of your wig is a nice way to soften the color and achieve a natural aging effect.
Clip-in extensions are used for adding extra length or thickness to your hairstyle and are available in synthetic fiber and human hair. These clip-in extensions are an alternative to wearing permanent extensions and should be removed at night, as sleeping with them still attached to the head will cause unnecessary hair breakage. They are often the choice for brides or for special occasions, as they are easy to attach and remove. Where more than one extension piece is required, a diagram is provided to enable you to remove and attach your clip-in extensions to get your desired result. 3 stem switches are mainly used to achieve a bun effect or any plaiting into the hair, which has become increasingly popular. The base is the size of one fingernail, which makes it hiding inside the hairstyle easy to do. Wrap-around ponytails provide a quick, easy transformation from short to long hair. This wrap-around ponytail can be worn daily and is an alternative to permanent extensions, giving the natural hair a rest period, but still provides a natural long hair effect.
Goodbye from a few grey hairs.
Goodbye!